Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video about Steam and how you can backup and restore Steam games. Now, it's very easy guys actually. So first of all, you want to go and you want to log in into your Steam and you want to click properties on any game you have, right? So any game you have in the Steam library, as you can see, make sure to go like this on any game and then you can click on properties. Now, from there, as you can see, once you select properties, this is for creating backup files. From the install files tab, just select backup game files. Then you can click browse and browse to the folder where you wish to create the backup files. From there, just click create backup and it will begin the backup process. Now once complete, you can just choose open folder to move or burn copies of your backup files. Now as you can see, they recommend testing the backup disks after their creation to ensure the integrity of the files for the future reinstallation. Now, how you can actually restore. Restoring is easy. You just, again, log in into your Steam, launch Steam, click on the Steam in the upper left corner of the Steam application, and then you can just click Restore Game Backup. From there, browse the location of the game's backup files and continue through the Steam windows to install the necessary games. Now, from there, you can also test to see and to avoid any problems in the future, but that's pretty much how you will be able to create backup files and restore from your backup files, because first you need to create the backup files so that you can later on restore from those backup files. So if you want to know more about Steam and how it works, you can check out some more tutorials on our channel. And yeah, if you have any questions specific to this part of tutorial, then definitely comment down below and we'll help you out. Thank you guys for watching.